everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the viral timestamp effect using CapCut. Alright, let's get started. First, open your CapCut and import your videos. Videos of yourself walking through a crowded area like this, like in the middle of the city or another place, with a camera angle like this. Next, just choose the part of the video where you want the time to stop. Like I'm going to use this part, and then just click on it and add keyframe to mark this. After that, just take a screenshot of this frame like this. Next, just open any photo editor that you have, or just use an AI tool on your phone to remove yourself from the screenshot like this. And then we will use this edited photo as the static background for the timestamp scene. And once you're done, just go back to your CapCut. And then place the edited photo right at the point where you want the effect to start. So just split it first and then add the photo like this. And then just set the photo as main clips and use your original video as an overlay like this. Like this. Now just tap on overlay clips, then go to marks, and then tap on circle. After that, just position the marks over yourself and adjust its position frame by frame using keyframes to follow your movement like this. And after that, adjust the feather to smooth the edge like this. And here's the final result. And alright, maybe that's it for today's tutorials. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!